This video shows how you can insert bar graph in Google spreadsheet. So let us say you have got this data, city and its temperatures, and you want to create bar graph out of it. For that, what you have to do is click on insert, and then you can click on chart. Then it will automatically create the bar graph for you. So it actually depends on what kind of data you have got. So for this kind of data, it has selected column chart or bar chart. But you can also select different types of other types of chart types like lines, areas, columns. So here you can see this bar is there. So you can select bar chart like that, and just scroll down. There are a lot of other types of charts: pie chart, scatter, map, other. This is how it is created. Now if you want to add another data over there, so that it will be shown in the bar. For example, for each city, let us say you want to also show the humidity, say 40%, 60%, 87%, 22%, 33%, and you want to create graph out of it. So again, go to that insert and then click on chart, and here they have created this particular chart. So I'm gonna select bar chart like that. So bar chart and this column chart are almost similar. Only difference is that the way x and y axis are shown. And you can also edit or customize this chart by clicking on this customize button, and here you can select chart style like background color, font. Similarly, you can also change chart and axis titles, series, legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid lines as well. Thanks for watching this video.